Make Photopea personalised for you. I'm CalCoachesFX, coaching you to exceed your potential in graphic design. If this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel with notifications set to all. So firstly, what I'll be showing you is how to change the colour scheme. There's a few different colours. Load up a document, go to more and then theme. Here you have multiple options, so silver, black, iron blue, snow white and Danish purple. Also, if your mother tongue is not English, you can see under language if it is there. Not all languages are there just yet. If you press a window, you can pick specific tabs to be open. I often design my thumbnails with the nav or Navigator, so I can see my thumbnail from a small size. Go to edit, then preferences. This will allow you to see if you want guides and a grid. I don't have the grid, but I do have the lines on because I find the grid distracting. But if you want it to make isometric stuff, then you can change the grid type to isometric and change the gap in between and what it's measured on, so centimeters, etc. Final thing I would recommend you to do is get familiar with at least some of the shortcuts Photopea offers. The ones I use the most is Control Backspace for filling the layer with the background colour, or Alt Backspace for the foreground colour, Control and J to duplicate, and holding Control and zoom in, and scrolling your mouse wheel for zoom. There are loads more shortcuts, but these are my most used ones. Learn more about the basics of Photopea by clicking the video on screen now. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe with notifications set to all. And I will see you in my next video on how to use content aware in Photopea.